Hello everyone, my name is Dilip. My registered number is URK19CS1238. In this video, I'm going to explain about the topic called inheritance in Java using Java programming. The aim of in this program, I'm going to explain about the question. The aim of this question is to develop a Java application using inheritance as per the following: create a class worker with name, to salary rate and data members, and derive two classes, daily workers and main subclasses and salaried worker from it, and provide a method compare int hours to compute the week pay of every worker. A daily worker is paid on the basis of the number of days she works. The salaried worker get paid the wages of 40 hours a week, no matter when actual hour is. To implement this scenario to calculate the pay of the workers, you have expected to use the concept of inheritance with proper runtime polymorphism. Okay guys, we'll go to the program and implement this. Okay, this is the code. We'll start the program. I'll introduce all the Java files, Java header files, including the Java public, import java.scanner class. Okay, I'm creating a super class with name worker, with name and salary rate as an attributes, name and salary rate as an attributes, and I'm creating a subclass daily workers which extends from the superclass worker, which consists of days and daily wages to be paid as an attributes in that subclass. I'm creating a method read to read the input from the user. I'm creating a method read to read the input from the user. Okay guys, then I read the input from the user. To read the input from the user, I'm saying scanner s equal to new scanner system.in. In this system, I'm printing system.out.println and enter the name of the daily worker. I'm asking to give the name of the daily worker, and it will go to name equal to s dot next line. It will go to the next line. Then system.out.println, it will print enter the salary of the daily worker. The salary dot rate equal to s dot next int. It will go to the next int. It will go to the enter the salary. It will go to next int, and the system.out.println enter the number of days of a daily worker. The daily how many days he is working in a day, number of how many days he is working in the company. The days equal next dot int. Okay, in that class, then create and then I am creating another method called compare to calculate the salary of the daily waged worker. The daily wages underscore paid equal to days to calculate the daily wages of the worker, days into salary rate. Okay, then it will be calculated as daily wages of the worker. I am creating another method display. It will display the daily wages of the paid worker. What is the daily wages of the paid worker? Money was system.out.println. It will print the salary of the daily waged worker is. I am calling this attribute dm underscore paid. It will be assigned. I am creating another class, child class, subclass as salaried worker with extends keyword, calling the parent superclass, and initializing my attributes as salary week, salary hour, the salary per week to be paid, weeks 52 in a year. 52 weeks will be there in a year. As an attributes, I'm initializing. I'm creating a method, a read method, to give the input from the user for the given attributes in superclass. Then I'm creating another. In this, I'm asking the input, enter the name of the salaried worker. I'm asking the name of the salaried worker, and it will going to name equal to s dot next line. It is going to next line, and I'm asking the system to enter the salary of the salaried worker. What is the salary he is getting? I'm asking. Then salary dot rate it will next one. I'm defining another method compare. I'm writing another method compare to calculate the salary of the salaried worker. To calculate the salary of the salary, to calculate the salary of the salaried worker, this is the formula. The salary per week equal to salary rate by divided by weeks, how many weeks he was working. Salary per hours, how many hours. Salary week, in a week how many hours he working, by divided by 40 hours in a week he should work. For 40 hours how many hours he is working. According to that, then the values will be given, the money will be provided. Salaried wage to paid to the salary worker to be salary hours into 168. This is the formula to calculate the salaried worker. Okay, I'm initializing another method display. It will print the system.out.println. I'm asking to print the salary of the salaried worker is then calling my attribute salaried worker to be paid. Okay, after that I'm creating a main class with the name in the name, main class with name worker1 to create. I'm initializing public static void main a string arguments. Inside that I'm initializing that name, object name, to create the object reference for I'm creating object reference for each classes. That is, this is the salary for the each worker will be this is the salaries for the each worker will be displayed. The daily worker equal to new daily worker is my object new object name. This is the method I'm calling the read method. It will read the input from the user. This is the here this part will be executed. This read method will be executed. It will ask the user to give the name. It will ask the user to give the salary, and the salary, how much is earning, the number of days, how many days he is working in the company. It will ask, and then I'm calling the method compare. It will calculate the values which are given by the user, and then I'm calling the method display. Display method will display the what is the actual the salary is getting daily wages work. The salary of the daily wages will be printed. Same for the daily workers as it is for the salaried workers. I'm initializing it is my S1 is my object reference. I'm placing new object name salaried worker. Same, I'll read the I'll call the method read. It will take the input from the user and call the method compare. It will calculate the users values, and it will be call the method display. It will print the values which were already assigned. Okay, this is the program for the salaried and daily worker. We'll run the program. Okay, we'll run the program. Okay, this x dot 1. Okay, just a minute friends, I'll print the program. Okay, I'll run the program worker dot 1. Just a minute. Yes, it is asking for the name of the daily worker. The daily worker is Vamsi. I'm giving Vamsi as name of the daily worker, and the salary of the daily worker. Daily worker salary I'm giving 500. Number of days is working, I'm giving 30 days. Okay, you can see the salary of the daily waged worker is 15,000 for 30 days. For the day 500. Okay, for the name of the salaried worker, it is asking for the salaried worker. I am giving Vicky. Okay, it is asking the enter the salary of the salaried worker. The salary of the salaried worker is 10,000. Okay, the salary of the salaried worker per day is 672. This is the program for this code. Thank you for watching.